The Building Energy Rating (BER), a System and Energy Performance Certificate (EPC), are important tools used across Europe to measure and improve the energy efficiency of buildings, particularly commercial properties. These systems were introduced under the European Union's Energy Performance of Buildings Directive (EPBD), which aims to reduce energy consumption, lower carbon emissions, and encourage sustainable building practices throughout Europe. Commercial buildings such as offices, retail units, hotels, schools, warehouses, and factories consume significant amounts of energy for heating, cooling, lighting, and ventilation. The BER and EPC systems help assess how efficiently these buildings use energy. Buildings are rated on a scale from A to G, where A-rated buildings are highly energy efficient and G-rated buildings are the least efficient. A higher rating usually means lower energy costs, reduced environmental impact, and improved comfort for occupants. The assessment process for commercial properties is detailed and carried out by qualified assessors. They examine factors such as insulation, windows, heating and cooling systems, lighting efficiency, ventilation, and renewable energy technologies. Approved software is then used to calculate the building's overall energy performance and carbon emissions. The final BER or EPC certificate also includes recommendations for improvement, such as upgrading insulation, installing LED lighting, replacing old boilers, or introducing renewable energy systems like solar panels or heat pumps. One of the main advantages of BER and EPC systems is transparency in the property market. When commercial properties are sold or rented, the energy rating provides buyers and tenants with clear information about expected energy use and running costs. Businesses increasingly prefer energy-efficient buildings because lower utility costs can improve profitability. A good energy rating can also increase the market value of a property and attract environmentally conscious tenants and investors. The BER and EPC systems also play a major role in supporting Europe's climate goals. Buildings are responsible for a large share of carbon dioxide emissions, mainly due to the use of fossil fuels for heating and electricity. By encouraging energy-efficient construction and renovation, these systems help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable development. Governments across Europe have introduced stricter regulations requiring minimum energy standards for many commercial buildings, encouraging property owners to modernize older properties. In recent years, there has been a growing focus on nearly zero-energy buildings, NZEB, which use very little energy and rely heavily on renewable energy sources. New commercial developments increasingly include advanced insulation, smart energy controls, efficient ventilation systems, and renewable technologies to achieve higher energy ratings. Overall, the BER and EPC systems are essential for improving the energy efficiency of commercial property in Europe. They provide valuable information about building performance, reduce energy costs, support environmental protection, and encourage sustainable investment. As Europe continues to address climate change and energy security, these systems will remain a key part of the commercial property sector and future building development.